Diyan ka na lang ba? Alam mo anak, ang pinaka-successful na entrepreneurs ay yung mga taong willing na mag-take ng calculated risk. Noon, grabe ang kaba ko the first time na nag-pitch ako sa mga potential customers. My hands were shaking, my voice was trembling, pero I knew I had to do it. Sinabi ko sa sarili ko, if I don't try now, kailan pa? Pero napansin ko, lahat ng major breakthroughs ko sa business ay nangyari because I pushed myself beyond my comfort zone. And each time I felt scared, I reminded myself, progress over perfection. So from one store to having multiple branches, lahat to dahil sinubukan ko ang mga bagay na kinakatakutan ko dati. And every time I took a calculated risk, doors opened. Sure, hindi lahat ng risks nag-work out perfectly, pero each attempt taught me valuable lessons. The power of taking that first step is incredible kasi once I start, I'll realize na ang dami ko palang kayang gawin. And if I could do it, so can you. Wala naman tayong pinagkaiba. Nauna lang ako. And ang lesson is, growth happens outside of your comfort zone. Kaya, start small. But start today so you can be a business-minded Pinoy.